Hello everyone, my name is Mirabel, and in this short video I'll walk you through two Venn diagrams, one I found and one I created, to help us better understand SQL set operations and join logic. We'll explore how different diagrams relate to SQL concepts like union, intersect, except, and different types of joins like left, right, in, and full. Now, here's the first Venn diagram that I analyzed, and it compares dolphin and fish. Now it tells us that dolphins, they breathe, they live, they give live births, and they are warm-blooded, while fish, they lay eggs, they breathe water, and they are cold-blooded. These are attributes that are unique to dolphins and attributes that are unique to fish. Now they both share similar attributes, which is that they both swim, they are both aquatic animals, and they both have fins. Now, based on this diagram, we need to consider 6 of the 8 SQL related questions that are found in the assignment. Question 1 has to do with union. Now, the union of dolphin and fish gives us all unique traits. Every unique trait, from the fact that they breathe air, they give live births, down onto the fact that they are both aquatic animals and they both have fins. Question 2 has to do with intersect. Now, these are attributes that they share. Attributes that they share, like that they both swim, they are both aquatic animals, and that they both have fins. Question 3 has to do with except. Now, dolphin except fish gives us unique qualities to just dolphins, that they breathe air, they live, they give live births, and that they are warm-blooded. Question 4 has to do with inner join, and the result of an inner join is the intersection. The similarities or the commonalities between these two data sets, that the dolphins and fish, they both swim, they are both aquatic animals, and they both have fins. Question 5 has to do with left join. Left join of dolphin to fish returns all dolphin traits and only those fish traits that match, which are the fact that they breathe air, they give live births, they are warm-blooded, unique traits to just dolphins, and the common traits between the two, that they both swim, they are both aquatic animals, and that they both have fins. Now, the most interesting insight I got from this Venn diagram is that even though dolphins and fish, they look similar, they are biologically different. Dolphins are mammals, they are warm-blooded, and they give live births. Now, while fish, they are cold-blooded and they lay eggs. So even though they seem similar in the fact that they are both aquatic animals, they both live, they both swim, and they both have fins, they all have different traits that are unique to just them. Now, this teaches us that overlapping features doesn't always mean identical data sets. Even though in a data set we have features that overlap, it doesn't mean that the data sets are identical. Now, my second Venn diagram is on fast food restaurants, and if you look at this one that I've created now, I included 4 data sets: McDonald's, Taco Bell's, KFC, and Domino's. There are a few food items. Here are a few food items and where they appear. McDonald's has chicken nuggets, Taco Bell's has tacos, and Domino's has pizza. Now, all these 4 restaurants, even though they have their own unique menus or unique foods that they offer, they all have shared items. The fact that all 4 of these restaurants, they offer soft drinks, all 4 of it. McDonald's and KFC both offer French fries, and KFC and Domino's have chicken wings. They offer chicken wings. Now, what is the most interesting insight that I got from this Venn diagram that I created? It shows that although each restaurant has a specialty, they still overlap in basic offerings like soft drinks. It shows how businesses can be competitors yet still share. Even though each of these restaurants has a specialty, they still have some items on their menu that overlap, like soft drinks. Now, it shows that businesses can be competitors, yet they can still share core features like overlapping, just like overlapping data tables in SQL. Now I've also found um, an additional three helpful learning tools that I use to learn SQL. Now, firstly, I have this article on Mood SQL joins. Now, with this article, I'm able to learn better about SQL joins and all these related concepts. I found this YouTube video that explains SQL joins explained. Now, this is a very interactive video, very fun and easy to understand. And with this, I'm able to learn better SQL tools. And finally, I have SQL Zoo. It has tutorials and I can learn SQL step by step. This is a method that actually like very fun and interactive. To sum up everything that I've talked about here concerning Venn diagrams, now they are a fantastic way to visualize SQL set operations and join logic. They help us see how databases how they relate and overlap, whether you're comparing marine animals or fast food menus or superheroes or movies or whatever, or streaming platforms, whatever it is you're comparing. It shows you what their similarities are and where their data sets overlap. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this has helped you understand SQL more visually and more clearly. Thank you for your time.